Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ActiveCampaign, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your ActiveCampaign account, start by visiting the ActiveCampaign website. Locate the sign up button on the homepage and click it. Fill in the required fields on the registration form, including your name, email address, and password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy before checking the box to agree to them. After agreeing, click the Start My Free Trial button. You will receive a confirmation email to the address you provided. Open that email and click on the confirmation link. This link will redirect you back to the ActiveCampaign website. Log in using the credentials you created during the registration process. Once logged in, you will be guided through an initial setup process. Begin by entering your business name and website URL. Next, specify your primary goals for using ActiveCampaign. This information helps tailor the experience to your needs. Once finished, proceed to the personalization section. Here, you can customize your account's look and feel. After personalizing, navigate to the Settings menu in the sidebar. In the Settings menu, review and configure your account settings. It's important to set up your email domain for sending campaigns. Follow the prompts to authenticate your domain for better deliverability. Next, explore the List section to create your first email list. Click on Add a new list and fill in the necessary details. Now, head to the Forms section to create a sign-up form for your list. Design your form by choosing fields, colors, and styles that match your branding. After creating the form, make sure to save and publish it. You can now embed this form on your website or share it directly. Once your list and forms are set up, navigate to the Automation section. Here, you can create automated workflows to engage your audience. Publish your automation once you've configured the triggers and actions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.